Here are the answers for 5, 6, practice A. Here are 1 through 4. Again, remember to apply the hinge theorem. You need to make sure that you have two congruent sides and that the angle that you're going to be comparing is the included angle. Any questions on 1 through 4? Yes? No? Okay. Then here is 5 through 8. Again, you're just going to compare either the angle measure or the side length to decide which one's larger, which inequality symbol you needed to put in there. Any questions on up to number 8? All right, so for number 9, you had to figure out why this didn't work. So for this one, it needed to be the included angle. Yes, you had a congruency mark there. However, the 47 and the 35 were not the included angle, so you could not use the hinge theorem here. Any questions on 9? Let's go to the next page. So for 10 through 13, I always recommend you label your picture. So fill in congruency marks, whatever's given to you to help you solve it a little bit easier. So this one was just a matching question. So number 10 went with D, number 11 is A, 12 was B, and 13 was C. Any questions on those? All right, so now 14 and 15, you have to set up inequalities to solve. So for 14, you looked at the 65 and the 70. You saw that the 65 was the smaller angle, so that's why 7 was less than x, or x was greater than 7. 15, you had to work for it. The side lengths were actually expressions, so you had to set up your inequality. The 38 angle was larger, so that's why the 12x minus 7 was greater than 3x plus 12. And then the last question, you were just going to apply the hinge theorem. Notice the 120 angle is the larger one, so that told you that your friend was farthest from the school. Any questions on this? Okay, so your homework is going to reinforce this lesson. It's going to be the practice B. On the first page of the practice B, you're doing all 10 problems. But on the second page, you can skip 11 and 12 and 15 and 16. Now, these instructions are on Canvas before you click on it, so just be aware that any of the indirect proof questions you can skip. Any questions on the B? Nope. Okay. And then I tried to insert a file, but so that is it as far as 5.6. Remember, on Canvas is that outline if you want to use that, or if you just want to make your own notes. But just review all 6 lessons and know what each thing looks like. Know all the definitions, know all the theorems. And then tomorrow we'll go through the study guide. But anything can go on the test. The only thing is there's no proofs and it's multiple choice. Any questions? Okay, so go ahead and start your practice B. If you have questions, let me know. You can come on over and you can ask. You have the entire class period to do that. So then tomorrow we'll go over the practice B homework and then we'll go through the study guides.